Today we will learn Chinese characters.
西
Next, watch how I pronounce it.
西西一西西西瓜西瓜我爱吃西瓜。我爱吃西瓜。西方西方太阳从西方落下，太阳从西方落下。西边西边学校在我家的西边。学校在我家的西边。
Now let's see how to write this character. This character originally looked like a bird's nest, meaning birds return to their nests at sunset. Ancient Chinese people observed that the direction where the sun sets is the west. In traditional culture, the east represents spring and vitality, while the west stands for autumn and tranquility. Keep the inner space even. Do not make it too crowded. This part should be written a little plumper. The top is small, and the bottom is full and broad, roughly like this. Okay, that's all I have to say for today. Goodbye.